Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today I have a video for you featuring a Vegas themed nail art design. I had done this for the Facebook group called BR Nail Talk. She is also Blue Rose Nails here on YouTube. She has a Design It Nail card game that we do over there on her Facebook group, and she draws cards every single Monday. And then you're just supposed to come up with the design pertaining to the cards that were drawn. So for this draw, the cards were short almond, chunky glitter, the color red, and the theme was Vegas. So basically, I just wanted to go ahead and post this video, even though I had recorded it last year. And let's just go ahead and get started with the look. I will let you guys watch this, and then I will be back in a moment. So we're coming up on the end of the design. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I did do this last year. I can't exactly remember when. I was going to try to get it out last year, but then I just got too busy with other things. But considering that we're in March now and we're going to be coming up on spring break here pretty soon, maybe it is a good time to go ahead and release this video in case some of you are going to Vegas. I know in my younger years, I used to go to Vegas either February or March, my husband and I. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about the design. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you and have a wonderful day.